I'm Olivia with the Tennessee Conservative.
Right.
It's wonderful to see you here. I have a question about the ongoing BHP joint operation in Nashville.
Yes.
How do you feel, one, about the operation where they detained over 200 illegal immigrants, and then secondly, about Nashville Mayor Freddie O'Connell's obstruction of said operation?
Well, I was really upset about the operation because, there was that famous clip of the officer smoking a cigar at the end. And I was really, really upset that he wasn't smoking one of my Mayflower cigars. It was a big problem, so I made sure to track him down, and we're sending him a box. Otherwise, I was quite elated by the whole thing.
You have to fix small problems.
That's
Every
right.
operation has a hiccup, right?
It was pathetic that the mayor tried to counter-signal the immigration raid, because I think even he knew that this was a losing political proposition. The fact is, people voted for mass deportation. Mass deportation was the popular issue this election. And it's not that we don't feel bad for people who have to get shipped out. I mean, most of them are face-tattooed Satan-worshiping gangsters. So, it's not exactly sweet up Wayla in the kitchen. But you do feel a little bit bad for people who were told by Democrat politicians to come over, violate the law, tax public resources. They were told this for years, but we have the right to the rule of law. We have the right to our own country, and if people want to come here, then they need to pay attention. And the first action in the country can't be to break our laws and disrespect us. So all in all, a marvelous policy.
Absolutely. And how do you think that Congressman Andy Ogles, with his call for a congressional investigation, do you think that will yield any fruit, or what are the impacts that you potentially see coming from that?
Well, listen, I never trust Congress to do anything, but I love Andy Ogles, and I think Andy has done a phenomenal job, and his priorities are totally in the right place. Whether or not congressional leadership gets its act together, I wouldn't bet my house on it.
And finally, do you have a candidate in mind that you're excited about for governor in 26, or is there anyone that you'd like to potentially hope that they'll throw their name in the ring?
Well, I thought it was a fait accompli. I mean, I heard the rumor, just like we all did, that Senator Blackburn was going to run. And I assume if she runs, she's going to win 175% of the vote. So perhaps there will be some challenges, but I haven't heard any yet, and I don't intend to throw my hat in the ring.
Oh, well, then really you're leaving our whole audience.
Right.
What can I say? If we don't have Michael, we don't.
Maybe later on. I have to sell more cigars in the meantime.
Fair enough. So nice to